Hey, this is Ethan Brown with FBI Buildings. We're out here building a loft or a deck in an existing building. It's a 13 by 15 by 10 foot high with stairs and railing. We started lasering in the posts off the walls and the existing deck that is already in the building. We set our brackets. They're universal brackets for our 6x6 treated posts. So we stood our 6x6 post up, leveled them in, put our 2x10 headers all the way around. Then we put our runners, 2x10s, 2 foot on center. And then we put our X bracing in to make sure that they stay 2 foot on center all the way through. Then we put 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood on the top for decking. So we cut our stringers out of 2x12s and our steps out of 2x10s. So we built our railing out of 2x4s and fastened them to the side of the stairs. And that is how we built this interior deck today. If you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.